Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials, or may I say, hey hitters, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording, I'll be providing an update about our Facebook group. We changed the name from ClickWorker Philippines to Ghostly Hitters. So if you go to Facebook or if you have a Facebook account, search for our name, which is going to be Ghostly Hitters. And for you to be able to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first and then answer all the relevant questions so we can welcome you there. So let's dive into the hit app that I am working on for today. It is going to be, does the user want to apply for a credit card English? This one should be easy. So we just have to check the query if the user is wanting to apply or if they have an intent to apply for a credit card. Okay, so we do have a guideline. You can pull it up if you like, but this one should be really easy to work with. So that's the guideline. It'll be true if it's a credit card related, buying or applying intent. False if it's not related to the query or it is a credit card related query, but it does not contain buying or applying intent. That is, no, be careful with this because that is confusing. Moving on to the next. So the query is best area rug sale. So that's definitely no. That's right. HGTV Dream Home and 2021 12 giveaway. That's definitely a no. Accident lawyers near me. Definitely no. Isn't it easy? Asset tracking device. It's no. And log into Amex account. That's definitely. Hold on a sec. Query card related to buying, applying intent. Apply for credit card. No balance transfer. Delta miles. Yes, yes. Best, this is going to be no. It's a login attempt only. Our credit card's bad credit. That's has an intent. Hedge termers, definitely no. Amazon card, that's a yes. There is an intent. Hallmark ornaments, that's definitely no. This one, NN, you have to disregard it. It does not matter. Apartment rentals, it's a no. So you passed the qualification test. Let's go ahead and work on this one. It pays too little, but the more you work on it, the more you will be able to earn some moolah. Amazon Prime used books, no. That's BMO reloadable prepaid card. That's um, definitely a yes. Credit loans, definitely no. Electric scooters, no. That's no. That's a no. That's a yes. Acura, nope. ABCY, that's no. That is yes. 123 movies, no. Adobe PDF, nope. That's no, 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 no. You can spam this thing. All right. I hope this video helps you out. And today is the start of the bill run for Wednesday. I mean, from Wednesday until Friday. So expect those invoices during those time frame, and expect a pay after a few hours. For Payoneer, again, it'll be 10. I'm sorry, for PayPal, it'll be 10 euros, the minimum payable amount. And for Payoneer, it'll remain as 5 euros. By the way, guys, I would greatly appreciate if you can download Brave browser and watch our YouTube videos there, so you guys can support our channel rather, and at least show a little bit of loving. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost. Have a good day. Bye for now.